Dear children of class 7, this is the general knowledge lesson starting from lesson 1 to lesson 5. Pretty blossom 1. This small white flower blooms each day at dawn. It is considered as the weeds as it spreads quickly. That is the answer is you will see daisy. The red and white varieties of these flowers are used in the hair care product, that is hibiscus. This flower has 5 overlapping petals with distinctive face the marking, that is your penti. It is okay. This flower with the numerous petals are mainly cultivated for flower shows, that is dahlia. The fragrant night blooming flower is known as Rajanigandha, is tuberose. This flower with innumerable hybrid varieties can survive in almost any habitat, that is orchids. This cup-shaped flower blooms in spring, that is tulip. Okay. Then birds of prey. A bird's prey is a prey that is a large bird that hunt and eats other animals. It is also known as the raptor. A raptor has the powerful hooked beaks and tearing flesh. They have keen eyesight for detecting food from a distance or from a height while flying. They have a strong feet with talons for grasping and killing prey. Raptors eat insects, fish, rodents, snakes, frogs, birds, and even small mammals. Raptors include species such as eagles, hawks, kites, falcon, vulture, and owl. This bald eagle built the largest tree nest. It appears bald because of the white feather on its head. It is both the national bird and the national animal of US. Second one, you can see the middle. The Steller's sea eagle is the heaviest eagle, weighing 5 to 9 kg. It has dark brown feathers with white wings and tails. Its beak or talons are yellow in color. Then the next, the Philippines eagle is considered the largest eagle in terms of its length and wingspan. It is the national bird of Philippines. You can see the picture. Kite have a long wings and weak legs. They mostly eat rotten meat. Okay, carry on, of dead animals. Some also eat insect, rodents, and reptiles. The red-brown, Brahmingly kite brown, found in India, and eat fish and garbage. Hawk are the diurnal, active by day raptor. There are more than 200 varieties of hawks in the world. They have excellent hearing and eyesight. Some species of hawk can migrate over thousands of kilometers each year. Falcons have a large head, powerful short and nosed beak, and distinct stripes below their eyes. They are powerful flyers and drivers. The peregrine falcon is the fastest flying bird in the world. It can reach at the speed over 300 km per hour during its dive. Owls typically have large round heads with front-facing eyes. They can rotate their heads by about 270 degrees. There are around 200 different owl species. The owl is a nocturnal bird, meaning it is active at night. The barn owl is the most widely distributed species of owl found in most parts of the world. Vultures are the large bird with a long wingspan. Since vultures have weak feet, they cannot hunt food. Okay, they mainly eat rotten meat of dead animals. The Andean condor is a large black vulture with a maximum wingspan of 3.3 meter. It has the largest flying bird. It is the largest flying bird of prey in the world. It is a national symbol of many South American countries such as Argentina, Chile, and Peru. Here some true or false questions. You can remember and learn. Raptors are the only birds that can eat meat. False. Owls can catch prey even if they cannot see it. You can see this one answer written. You can guess and can go through. Next is the body machine. Our body like a complex machine. Different organs with the coordination with each other. Babies are born with 300 bones, but many of them fuse together, and therefore an adult has 206 bones. The brain is the only body part that doesn't feel pain. The tooth enamel is the hardest substance in the human body. The strong together end-to-end and blood vessels in our body could circle the earth into 1/4 times. The blood vessel in our body could circle the earth 2.5 times. The human body sheds up to 40,000 skin cells every minute. The eyes can discern up to 10 million colors. Hair that grow out of the skin is made of dead cells, which is why we do not feel pain when our hair is cut. Just like fingerprint, tongue prints too are the unique of each person. Here questions match the organ with the organ system they belong to. You can see the answers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 with the options written besides. You can see and learn. Then enrich your language. Fill in the blanks to complete these phrases which are joined with and the job is in his bread. The job in his bread and dash and he cannot leave it, bread and butter. I hope the chairman makes a dash and sweets, short and sweets. He is my flesh and dash. How can I neglect him? He is the flesh and blood. One must look at the matter without any prejudice, fair and square, and only then can one come to the right decision. She left home, dash and baggage after a quarrel with her parents. Answer bag and baggage. Okay, this is all these phrases have word beat in them. However, they are meant different things. Complete the sentence with the help of the clues. Whenever Dharwal wants to talk business, he beats dash approaches the just subject indirectly. It is about the bush. Both Essa and I saw a rare flower at the same time, but I dash go there first. I had to it. I had to it. I had to eat. The answer is I had to eat. Nitish likes music because I saw him beat time to the song. So answer will be time there. However much Fazal beat days, he could not come up with a solution. The search for ideas, it is his brain out. The sun beat days all afternoon fiercely. The answer radiate intense heat and brightness, that is your down. So beat down. Then folk dance. It is a Karagram dance of Tamil Nadu is performed in praise of the rain goddess Mariamman. The dancer balances a pot decorated with flowers on, on the head while performing the actions such as dancing on a rolling block of wood. You can see the picture. In the Teratali dance of Rajasthan, the performer strike metal crystals called manjiras in a rhythmic manner while swaying their bodies. Sometimes the women also hold a sword between their teeth while balancing a decorative pot of their head. The Dhol Cholum dance of Manipur involves singing and dancing to the accompaniment of the dhol. The dance performed during the Yosang or Holi festival involves intricate interplay of drums. Zhumair Zhumair is a dance from popular in Bihar, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Odisha and West Bengal, and especially among the tea tribes of Assam. It is commonly dance performed during the harvest season and festival. Then Matki dance is a popular in Madhya Pradesh. During the wedding, women perform this dance with the earthen pot balanced on their head. The Gulf is the hardest harvest dance of Goa, in which the dancers wave intricate braids using colorful strings with strings tied to the central pole. So this is the video reprinted from lesson 1 to 5. If you like the video, you can share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.